This is Brother Barnes. We're going to keep going over the sheep heart until we get it right. I'm going to call this sheep heart mock practical B. When I look at this heart, the first thing I look for is the interventricular septum. Then I try to compare the two widths of the ventricles. The smaller width will be the right ventricle, and the larger width will be the left ventricle. With that in mind, the valve on the right will be the tricuspid valve, and the valve on the left, which is almost intact, bicuspid or mitral. I notice a very nice papillary muscle here with lots of chordae tendineae. I also notice that there is a very distinct pericardial, visceral pericardium on the outer portion of the heart. Let me say that one more time. The visceral pericardium. Remember that the muscular layer is called the myocardium, and then the layer that covers the inside of the heart that is continuous with blood vessels would be the endocardium. We would call it tunica intima once it gets into the blood vessels. One of the reasons I took this picture, though, you can see my finger pointing, is I believe we have an intact aortic semilunar valve. Why do I say aortic semilunar? Because when you put this heart over to this side, you can see that this appears to be coming out of this left ventricle, the top of the left ventricle. So aortic semilunar valve giving rise to the aorta. Those are a few things I have noticed. If you notice anything else, let me know in the comments below. Also, I will do some videos and ask you to interact and identify these on your own so that you can practice for a lab practical.